Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites and enabling the feature. Check you have Windows 10 Pro or Server 2016 Plus, a 64-bit CPU with SLAT support, and enough RAM for guests. Reboot into BIOS or UEFI and enable Intel VTX or AMD. Make sure virtualization is not disabled by firmware. Once done, enable Hyper-V in Windows Features or run PowerShell as admin. Enable Windows optional feature online feature name Microsoft Hyper-V All. Then reboot to apply changes and prepare the host for role configuration. You now configure the host and network. Open Hyper-V Manager and create a virtual switch. Choose external to bridge real NICs, internal for host only, or private for isolated testing. Next, set storage locations under Hyper-V settings so VHD files go to the right drive. Create a VM. Pick generation 1 or 2 based on the OS, assign CPU cores, dynamic or static memory, and a VHDX size. Make sure integration services and secure boot settings match guest expectations. Once set, attach ISO and start the VM. Finish by installing the guest OS, and then enable or update integration services inside the VM so time sync and drivers work correctly. Configure checkpoints and backup routines, set resource controls like reserve and limit CPU, and configure VLAN ID or NIC teaming for production networks. Make sure host and guest time zones and network settings align. If something fails, check the virtual switch bindings. Ensure BIOS virtualization remains enabled, and confirm the Hyper-V Windows feature shows as enabled. These steps fix most common issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.